Looking at Apple here today, you can see that price has been kind of back and forth in between these two daily zones here. If we look at the daily time frame, price has just been going back and forth and back and forth, and I really feel that price is going to come all the way back here to the daily demand zone, starting at 144.94 down to 142. So that's where I think price is going to be going this week. And if we look at price here on the hourly time frame, we have a couple support zones that we really need to chew through here, or that price needs to chew through here first before it can get down there. So we just received a retest of this zone here at 148 down to 147.33 today, and I'm looking for price to maybe give us a little bit of a jog to the upside, but then come right back down and retest the zone starting at 146.14 down to 145.47. Okay, so that's what I think is going to happen. It may do a nice little wave motion up and down as this thing moves into the daily demand zone just below us, again starting at 144.95. So that's what I see happening this week, and the factors that I think are going to come into play is that we have earnings coming out here very shortly at the first day of August. So be in mind of that here with earnings coming out. I think earnings could help accelerate the move in either direction, but I would like it to see it come all the way down here first before earnings comes out. That way, as earnings comes out, we can be retesting the high yet again and possibly breaking up even higher. Looking at Amazon here on the daily time frame, you can see that price has again broken to the upside. Last time you may recall that we visited Amazon, we were looking for price to make new highs, and lo and behold, it surely did. So we see new highs, and then today's bar has been this nice big red bar coming back down. We do have nice new daily demand forming here from 1,033 roughly down to 1,010, so that's a big daily demand zone. And as we move over into the hourly time frame, let's not forget the support and resistance that's going to come into effect as price makes its way down to what I feel is this daily demand zone, which is where I would like to see price come on back down to before it pops back up and retests that high there at 1083. So this market's going way high, but I would really like to see a nice little correction. Maybe we'll get another little green candle retesting this high up there, but overall I would love to be a buyer down here at the daily demand zone because if we look at it again from the daily perspective, we have a nice little flip-flop area going on here. Okay, so this was resistance over here, and now it's becoming demand, and we can see that fresh support and resistance, supply and demand type concept shifting over time in the market today. It's not just a concept in the high school books, but it actually works, and we're seeing that happen here. So as far as the perspective for this week goes, I would like to see price come all the way back down here, really to this zone here at 1040, or excuse me, about 1024 down to 1023. That's where I'd like to see price come down to and then pop back to the upside. And the reason why I like price coming all the way back down there is just because it's a real good retracement area. Okay, and it's really close to that real nice little flip-flop type of feel of previous highs becoming new lows.